You need to make sure you're getting enough nutrients if you're nursing your baby, because obviously baby's health, that milk supply, is number one. So approaching weight loss after you have a baby is actually a lot easier than you might think. I know we end up looking at this huge mountain of weight, this mountain we have to climb, all of this weight we have to lose because we just spent 9 months creating a baby, building a baby, and consequently gaining a little bit of extra weight as well. Well, number one, listen to your doctor's recommendations. If your doctors say don't work out for 6 weeks, I'm sorry, that means you cannot work out for 6 weeks. But what you can do is you can control the foods that you put in your mouth. You need to make sure you're getting enough nutrients if you're nursing your baby, because obviously baby's health, that milk supply, is number one. But by focusing on eating real, whole, natural foods and focusing on drinking enough water, and then if you're nursing on top of it, you're burning an extra 500 calories a day. And then let's add to it that you're starting to move around and you're picking up, running after this baby that's moving. It's eating real, whole, natural foods and then drinking plenty of water. The weight will slowly start to fall off, but don't be hard on yourself. Be patient. Again, it took you 9 months to grow that baby, to put this weight on. It's gonna take you some time to get the weight off too.